Shuki MLA jong Gambegre kan iohi thymmai naba MLA ba mynta Saleng A Sangma ula Iehnoh kam hynne Nyngkong shakri no paidbah kum MP ke Lok Sabha na Tura Constituency. Saleng ula aiti shithi Iehnoh kam sha Lamphang Iingdorbar Thaw Ain ke Jylla hynne Nyngkong. Shithi Iehnoh kam la pha sha Lamphang Thomas A Sangma bala aiti sha Kamikhalia Assembly Secretariat hynne Nyngkong hagapor khatway Southern Regiment stem. Kini kajing Iehnoh kam jong lanang pinduna pa kajing don MLA ke Congress Iingdorbar Thaw Ain ke Jylla kamtam harilum garu ke bomden shu kinong mikmat hapo ke Iingdorbar Thaw Ain. Kajing job usaleng ha ke election Lok Sabha na Tura Constituency kala pinduna kajing don MLA ke Congress syaka saungut ke beringkat mentabat ke seng riulum Voice of the People Party. Kini ka plilin tiru kajing yakun ke by election ha Gambegre Assembly Constituency West Garo Hills ke balabat da usaleng hadu sau samoy. Ya MLA ba thymmai on sajit ling ba ka by election ke banlong hapo ka hendriu benai ke balong kat kum ke kendon jong ka Election Commission of India.
Lots of issues, especially from the state. Now, you might have seen that we have taken up a resolutions of language that is to be put into, considerations in the 8th schedule. That is Garo language and the Khasi language. Okay, and the one which we have taken the resolutions on the floor of the House is that ILP, Inner Line Permit. We will try. I'm not saying that we will get it. Right now, the advantage is that somewhat the democracy is safe because the BJP, the NDA, they have not got the BJP, they haven't got the majority. That's why there is a chances, and then moreover, they cannot bulldoze anymore.